Busties sent me their breast tape kit, so let's try it out. First off, like, so cute. It comes with little flower nipple covers, the breast tape, silicone nipple covers, a cute satin pouch to put all of it in, and then of course the skin sensitivity test to make sure you don't have a reaction to it. So let's try out the breast tape. Okay, essentially you're gonna want to like tape this up. So let's see the before and after. Okay, boob lift. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, so it definitely looks lifted to me. And it covers your nipples and whatever, if you're trying to hide that, breathing it, but you know, if you are, yeah. So let me try it with, I have a couple other the same shirts and I want to try it and see if it looks different with a light colored shirt. Okay, here's a different color. And I am obsessed with this. Actually, like, I'm super surprised how well it works. And you can't see the tape at all. And also, again, it covers, like, you know, sometimes I want to wear this, but, like, I don't want to be too much. So when I'm not wearing a bra, you know, it's a lot, like, too much. But, yeah, I really like it. So I was putting these under my tank top and I realized it comes with like 8 of them. So that's awesome. That's everything that comes in the Busties tape kit though. So if you want a free breast lift or even just some nipple covers or all of it, definitely pick one up. You can get it on Amazon. Lastly, I want to say we appreciate all boobies, all shapes, all sizes, all everything. So this is definitely something that if you want a little lift for a night or whatever, do it, whatever makes you happy. So yeah, but at the end of the day, you look great. So yeah.